8 modules to run your entire business are available in Fujitsu WE. Workforce capability allows you to understand what your workforce is capable of, by organizing capability around product catalogs, skill catalogs and much more. Define training and certification or accreditation, including prerequisites, product relations and automated granting of other capabilities. Set up components and layouts for automated curriculum vitae management and presentation. Engage all resources in the tracking of trainings, certifications and skills through a single end-user dashboard where resources can easily verify and update their skills, plan for training or certification and maintain multiple CVs which are automatically generated in the appropriate layouts. Now you are ready to understand capability throughout the entire organization and find resources based on accurate information. Workforce tracking provides insight in what's really going on in your organization. Every resource can manage their timesheet and leave request and have full insight in their planning. Where the timesheet process is fully automated and integrated with planning, targets, working hours and holidays, requiring very little time from your resources to provide accurate information. Tracking expenses is as easy as tracking time. Take a picture of your receipt with your mobile and submit your report for reimbursement. Set utilization targets and track billable utilization and time spent in real time for individuals or departments. Define cost rates, internal uplifts and internal contracts to fully automate cost tracking and internal cost charging. Track all costs in real time to steer your organization and facilitate easy and fast internal invoicing.